So we're about to do the service mode diagnostic test in the AEG L86810. So you press these two buttons down and then you turn it to cottons, and then you get into diagnostic test, which it will do this. But the thing I'm going to do is go to rinse, and this will do the drain and spin. And it goes up to 1600 RPM. Here we go. And it will speed up. Here we go. Hello. So the other things, which is spin with water. I hear it's trying to put water in, but it won't be able to. Heating, oh god no. Softener, pre-wash, wash, off. Electrical test, no. And then you press OK, then OK again, and then there we go, it's put you back into normal mode. And that's the service cycle.